Good morning. It is 7:50. I just dropped my kids off at school. It was a very hectic morning, very rushed morning. But if you watched my last video, my knee is still I got a brace on it. I dislocated it a couple days ago, and so it is swollen. It's getting better. I can walk on it, but it definitely feels like really tender. So I am sitting in the Walmart parking lot. I wanted to get here early because I'm moving a little slow today, but I have to get groceries, so I'm taking you guys along with me. Let's go into Walmart and Aldis. I just wanna not put any of these away. No, seriously. Goblin. I'm moving slow. Now that I have everything laid out, there are a couple things that I already put up as far as some chicken thighs, some meat, that kind of thing. But I ended up grabbing a couple salad dressings. I'm trying to try different lunches for Dalen, especially. So I have some lettuce. I've never had these wraps before, but I thought Dalen might like these. I will probably eat this for lunch too. And then I have tortillas down here with bacon and tomatoes, and then I have all the other ingredients too to make BLT wraps for dinner one night. I have salami, some chicken fried rice that we are doing for dinner. I have some Gouda sliced cheese and some Colby Jack cheese. Brett also asked me to buy him, oh crap. No. Anyways, Brett had asked me to grab him 2 breakfast sandwiches, so every morning I either make him a quick egg sandwich before he heads out the door, because he also takes, we both take medicine in the morning, and so having coffee and medicine on an empty stomach is not fun. So it makes our bellies very queasy. So he asked me, sorry, I gotta pick this up. He asked me to grab him 2 of these frozen, I kind of bounce back and forth, but I always either grab the sausage and biscuits. They're like really small, you just pop them in the microwave. These you put in the microwave too. And then these are Jimmy Dean sausage, egg, and cheese biscuit. So it's very helpful at 5 in the morning when I'm trying to like get him out the door. He's trying to get out the door. I just pop him in the microwave. Good to go, pack his lunch. I also wanted to make a banana cream pie, so I'm doing it the simple way. Banana cream pudding, pre-baked pie crust, and Cool Whip. So that is how I've had it for years. Like Brett's mom makes banana cream pie all the time, and so that's like the taste of that. I like that better. I've tried one other time making banana cream pie homemade, and it just, I don't know. I like the flavor of the like simple version better. I have some strawberries, oranges, obviously apples, bananas. I'm trying to get more fruit for Dalen too. She's been having a lot of fruit salads. I also grabbed some Jell-O. We're doing burgers one night. These are the best buns at Aldi's. If you've never tried these, they're really good. I've also been liking these yellow corn tortilla chips at Aldi's, and then I will pack these in my kids' lunch. It's kind of a healthier, better option than like the other tortilla chips. And then I buy these little singles. This is at Aldi's too, of guacamole. And then this is a good like option in their lunch. Dalton asked me to buy him some of these. So I'm not a huge like pumpkin spice person. I would take like apple over pumpkin in the fall. I know those are probably fighting words to some, but I did find these pumpkin spice bagels that I thought would be good in the morning, and then I grabbed some whipped cream cheese. I'm struggling with breakfast in the morning, but something that I have found that has helped helped as far as fill my belly up so that it's not nauseous when I drink coffee and take my medicine in the morning. So I am a big fan of lemon. They also have chocolate hazelnut and caramel. No, it's like chocolate and peanut butter and then peanut butter and something else. I'm just not a big peanut butter person. So they have, what are these called? Fruze balls. I don't know. They have they're plant powered. They have a lot of good stuff in them. Clean, plant-based. So they're really good. They're soft. I put them in the fridge, but I found these over by the peanut butter, the jelly, like that section at Walmart. So this is the brand if you guys want to try them, but honestly, 2 or 3 of these fill me up in the morning. They might not seem like it, but oh my gosh, I stepped really bad on my knee and it's really hurting. Oh God. I also have been buying a big thing of low-fat yogurt, a box of these coconut chia granola cereal. It's a little bit cheaper than buying like the actual thing of granola in a package. I buy the granola cereal because you get a little bit more out of it. And then dried cherries, and I pop some fruit in there. So it's the dried cherries, the granola cereal, the yogurt, and then fruit. And I also have that in the morning too, or as a snack. And then obviously our coffee. And Dalton, this weekend we are taking Dalton to an arcade restaurant kind of thing. That's what he wanted to do for his birthday, and one of his like best friends from school is going to be coming over too to go with us. We're going to swing by, pick him up, go do that for his birthday, and then come back home, and his buddy's going to stay the night. And so I thought we'll see if these make it by the weekend, but they had these s'mores cookies at the store too. So I'll probably run back in the next couple days to get donuts for in the morning. I'm keeping it very simple this time. Usually I like do a lot of baking and stuff, but I'm keeping it simple. So I'm sure those boys will be up all night. All right, I'm going to take some ibuprofen because my knee's hurting, and then I'm gonna get all of these groceries put away. And I need to clean my fridge out. It's terrible. So I was just in my pantry putting the rest of the stuff up, and a while ago, I had this idea. A while ago, I was given from my dad and stepmom a metal, it's kind of like a nesting boxes for chickens, but it's more of like a decorative thing, but it's huge. And I don't know what to do with it, and I've been thinking and thinking, and I'm like, what if I put it in my pantry and had it as a, just for like more storage and stuff. My issue, my pantry's kind of a mess right now, but it just needs to be organized. It's not really messy, but I'm thinking, what if I take this top shelf off and then give it more space for here? I just need to measure to see if this thing is going, he doesn't know what he's doing. I just need to measure to see if it would even work here because of like how tall it is. So I might do that. So stay tuned. If it fits, I'm going to see if Brett will do that because it will create more, Shep. He's confused what he's barking at. It would create more storage in here, and then I can have like everything on this top shelf a little bit more organized. So I'm going to go see why he's barking. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.